Hello everybody, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you're feeling well, guys. Welcome back to another latest update video about a MIR protocol token, guys. This video going very special, going very urgent for all MIR token because after a long time MIR token I saw after a long time really. If we check my previous update videos, so in every video MIR coin changes was negative, but today video is very special and I think it's a good news for all MIR token holders because you can see it's 7.59%. The price of MIR token is positive. It's up in the market, guys. So very congratulations. I'm very excited to see positive changes in the MIR protocol coin after a long time, guys. Right now, if we talk about the current price of 0.184 for US dollar, that is the current price, and big possibilities that it's going to hit a 50 cent very soon, guys. And I hope, guys, after a long time MIR token start pumping, so that's why I'm sure about it, guys, that MIR token will continue this pump for a long time because after a long time, it's a simple rule of cryptocurrency market that after dump there is pump. So in a previous time MIR token barely dump, so now I think it's a pumping time, guys, for MIR token, guys. 37.39% MIR token price decrease. The trading volume, I'm talking about trading volume, but guys, as I told you that from long time it's dumping, guys. So due to this also trading volume dump, so just right now in last 24 hours it start pumping, guys. So I hope with the passage of time this negative trading volume will be converted into positive, but it takes time, so that's why I recommend holding. And guys, be patient, guys. Hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more latest news and update videos.